Are your curls dry, undefined, or frizzy, or just look really bad no matter what technique or what curl product you use? Well, you may be using the wrong products for your curl type. Because although some products may not say it, usually products are not one size fits all when it comes to curly hair. Hi, I'm Barbie and I'm a curly hair coach. I have transformed over 20,000 heads of hair in the past 5 years, and I'm here today to help transform yours. Today I'm gonna walk you through recommended routines for wavy hair, curly hair, and coily hair. I'm gonna walk you through what exactly to do and what exactly to use so you are left knowing exactly what to do. Up first, wavy hair. If your hair looks like any of these 3 pictures, then you probably have wavy hair. A lot of common mistakes I see with wavy hair is that people are using products that are way too heavy for them, and it's causing their hair to be weighed down and flat or just fall flat after a few hours or days. People also aren't using products with a strong enough hold, and they're using products that are just too moisture heavy. Typically wavy hair, especially damaged wavy hair and soft wavy hair, can use protein. So here's your start to finish routine. Of course, it's not one size fits all, but this is a routine that would probably work for most people with wavy hair. In the shower, you're going to use the Odell Clarifying Shampoo. Shampoo twice. This is going to give you a completely clean slate and remove any buildup from your curls. So when you put your styling products on, you're putting it on your actual hair, not layering on top of buildup that's already there. Next up, you're going to use the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair. You'll use this in place of your conditioner. Brush it through, leave it in for like 10 minutes, and then rinse completely clean. This protein-packed bond builder mask will help bounce your waves and curls and help keep them upright and springy all week long. Once you get out of the shower, then you're gonna spray on the Anasi Pamper My Curls Moisture Mist. You're gonna brush it through so it touches every strand. This leave-in is super lightweight so it won't weigh down your curls, but it'll still give them the moisture it needs to help reduce frizz. Next, you're gonna think about splitting up your hair into 3 sections, but you're not actually gonna like split it up. You wanna think about section 1, section 2, and section 3. Grab the Lanza Whip Butter Styling Foam. This is a dream product for really any curls, but wavy hair loves it. And glide about a golf ball size amount over every section. After you glide it in, you're going to scrunch your hair, bringing it all the way up to your root. Then diffuse your hair until it's 50% dry. When it's 50% dry, then you are actually going to add more of that foam and just gently glide it on to not disrupt the curl pattern we just created, and let that set in. Then continue diffusing until dry. I love, love, love this foam because it's protein heavy. It has lots of great hold. It won't weigh your curls down. Plus it'll really give your curls a nice bounce. When your hair is 100% dry, then you're going to get a little dabble of the Fable & Mane Saha Scalp Smooth and Shine Hair Oil. Rub it together in your palms. Now, if you have super oily hair, you can skip this step. Whether or not you have the oil on your hands, you can then lightly clap out any crunchiness left behind from the mousse, and you can kind of scrunch and give it a fluff. The oil will help add shine to your waves, and the motion of clapping and crunching will take away the crunchiness. Okay, so that's what I would recommend for wavy hair. Up next, curly hair. If your hair looks like any of these 3 pictures, you have curly hair. Definitely a common mistake I see with curly hair is over washing and over wetting your curls. People will also just only ever use regular conditioner and then also applying styling products on hair that's either too damp or too dry or even sometimes too wet. So like not using the right amount of water before you put the styling products on your hair. So this is your start to finish routine with product recommendations. Let's go. In the shower, you're going to use this Dr. Groot Scalp Revitalizing Set. This is actually 2 products. So you'll shampoo twice with the Dr. Groot Hair Thickening Shampoo. And then once all that's rinsed out, you can actually then apply the serum that comes with it, and it'll just make your scalp feel so tingly and delicious. This will help make a very good cleanse to your curls, as well as help your curls appear fuller and thicker from the root, which literally who does not want that? It's one of my favorite shampoos, highly recommend, very slept on. Once that's totally rinsed out, then you're gonna go in instead of a conditioner and use the Rucker Roots Nourish and Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. Apply mainly to your mids and your ends and then brush that through. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out completely. This mask will give your curls so much nourishment and really help moisturize dry curls because this type of hair tends to be dried out a lot more easily. Welcome to the club because I am also in it. Now on soaking wet hair, you can even bring this product in the shower with you. You're gonna rake in the Rizzo's Curl Defining Cream. Focus that on your mids and your ends. If you prefer definition, you can brush style once that's applied, but you can also skip that if you want and just scrunch your hair after that. This product is so good. If you like volume, you can use it on its own, but it will really help tame your frizz. Once you're done scrunching or brush styling, whatever you choose, then you're going to apply the Anasi Pamper My Curls Stronghold Gel. You'll do that with praying hands, lightly gliding that gel and then scrunching it in. Then just scrunch any excess water out with a microfiber towel. This will help begin the drying process. You can either from there diffuse or air dry. I always prefer diffusing, but either work. Once your hair is 100% dry, then you can clap, scrunch, or fluff the crunchiness from the gel out of your hair. You can do it with Olaplex number 7 on your hands. What that's going to do is help seal in the moisture as you crunch and clap. And it'll also leave a really nice shine, which this hair tends to really need. So that was for curly hair. Here's what I recommend for coily hair. If your hair looks like any of these 3 pictures, you probably have coily hair. Some common mistakes I see with coily hair is overwashing, not using products with enough moisture, and not treating water like a product. AKA not making your hair soaking wet or wet enough before you put the product in. In the shower, you are going to shampoo choice with the California Naturals Super Moisture Shampoo. This is really going to help cleanse, nurture, and hydrate your strands. Next, you're gonna apply the Sauce Beauty Honey Chia Hair Mask. Apply that mainly to your mids and your ends. I'm obsessed with this mask. Then brush it through so you can detangle your hair and so it touches every strand and so it can actually soak into your hair. This will really help balance your curls and hydrate them. Leave it in for at least 15 minutes. An option to use a heated cap with it to really help it penetrate your hair. Then rinse it out completely. On soaking wet hair, apply the 2D Lab Soft Leave-In Cream and brush it through. Then I would recommend brush styling in 3 to 4 sections depending on how thick your hair is. On each section, apply some of the Miche Tropical Oasis hair gel. Be sure to wet each section with a spray bottle as you go. You can scrunch in some more gel once you put it through the sections, and then diffuse or air dry until dry. Once your hair is 100% dry, you can add some shine with the Miche Polished Multi-Use Hair Oil. This will add some shine, and then you can also use it to like clap out the crunch, scrunch out the crunch, whatever you want to do. Literally all of the products that I mentioned today come straight from the Curls Monthly product vault. If you're wondering what Curls Monthly is, it is a curly hair subscription service that delivers 5 products to your doorstep every single month. It is truly the easiest way to buy the right products without spending money and just waste on buying all these products, guessing and checking that they'll work for you. And if you want something even more personalized than kind of like these generalized suggestions that I made today, you can actually select the Curl Concierge plan at checkout. It's basically a one-on-one service where a curl coach trained by me curates a routine just for you. You'll get 5 product recommendations based on your porosity, density, hair type, and your concerns. So whether you just want to explore on your own through Curls Monthly or have a coach literally build a routine for you, we've got you covered. Head to the description for links to both and drop your curl types in the comments if you want help getting started. See ya!